Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert here. In this video we're going to go through a certain type of solving a system of linear equations type problem that you might see on the SAT. So let's get started. Let's look at problem 1. It says find the solution Rs to the following system of equations. And we have 3r plus 4s equals 12 and r equals 2. Now the quick way to do this is to substitute in 2 for r. So we're going to do 3 times 2 plus 4s and set that equal to 12. So what I've done here is I've taken this value of 2 and put it in r in the top equation. And we're going to solve for s. And then once we get s, well, we already have r, so we can just come up with our solution. So 3 times 2 is 6. So we have 6 plus 4s equals 12. We're then going to subtract 6 from both sides. These are going to cancel. We'll get 4s equals 6. Okay, divide both sides by 4. Those will cancel, and we'll get s equals 6 over 4, or 3 halves, or 1.5. Okay, so our solution here is going to be 2, 1.5. Now it's good to know how to algebraically solve this. On the SAT, you're allowed, at least at the time of this recording, to use Desmos. So what you can do is put both of these equations into Desmos. So if I just go to my Desmos graphing calculator here, and instead of r and s, if I use x and y, so we'll just use x and y, so I'll have 3x plus 4y equals 12. And then for our other equation, we'll have x equals 2. And you'll see we have the solution 2, 1.5. So if you don't remember how to do substitution when you're taking the SAT, you can change these variables to x and y and plug it into Desmos. Okay? Let's try another one. All right, problem 2, we're finding the solution Qs to the following system of equations. We have 5q plus 10s equals 30 and q equals 4. So we want to take the value of q and put it right in here. So we're going to rewrite the top equation into 5 times 4 plus 10s equals 30. Okay, so 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 10s equals 30. We're going to subtract 10 from both sides, or subtract 20 from both sides to get rid of the plus 20 here. Okay, these are going to cancel. We'll get 10s equals 10. And then we'll divide both sides by 10. These will cancel here. And we got s equals 1. So our solution here is going to be 4, 1. And again, you could put this into Desmos. Instead of q, you'd use x, and instead of s, you'd use y. All right, let's take a look at a third problem. Third problem, we've actually got x and y, so we could plug these right into Desmos, but let's do the substitution method. So it says find the solution xy to the following system of equations. 5x minus 15y equals 45, and x equals 3. So again, the x value we're going to put into here. The top equation, let's write as 5 times 3 minus 15 times y, and set that equal to 45. Okay, 5 times 3 is 15, minus 15y equals 45. Let's subtract 15 from both sides. We get minus 15y equals 30. We're then going to divide by negative 15 on both sides. Those will cancel on the left, and we'll get y equals 30 divided by negative 15. So y equals negative 2. So our solution here is going to be 3, negative 2. All right, let's try one more. So we're going to find the solution AB to the following system of equations. Negative 2a plus 3b equals 18, and a equals 6. And I'm going to put a in there. So we have negative 2 times 6 plus 3b equals 18. Negative 2 times 6 is negative 12 plus 3b equals 18. To get rid of the negative 12 on the left-hand side, I'm going to add 12 to both sides. These are going to cancel. We'll get 3b equals 30. We're then going to divide both sides by 3. 3's are going to cancel here, and we'll get b is equal to 10. So our solution here is going to be 6, 10. All right. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please give a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.